Mishka Cup.
Well, little bears, are you ready to explore space?
Yes, Mom. We're flying to the planets with Toptishka and Knopka.
Wow! Look at how the rocket sparkles!
Let's go! Hooray!
Here we go. Look, that's the sun. It's huge and very hot.
Why does it shine like that?
The sun is a star, and its temperature is around 500 degrees Celsius. It gives light and heat to all the planets.
Wow! Mercury is so hot! Can anyone live there?
No, it's too hot. The temperature on Mercury can reach 430 degrees.
But it's so tiny.
Yes, Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. But its temperature is so high that no one can stay there for long.
Did you know that Mercury is 1/3 the size of Earth?
Imagine how small it is.
Did you know that Mercury orbits the Sun 5 times, while Earth orbits just once?
Imagine this.
It's all covered in clouds like a big fog.
Yes, Venus has such thick clouds that it looks like a giant foggy ball, and the temperature there is 460 degrees. It's like an oven.
It looks so beautiful, though.
Check this out.
Venus is almost the same size as Earth,
Venus orbits the Sun almost 2 times.
while Earth does it once.
Look, it's Earth. It's so blue.
Yes, Earth is special. It has water, air, and life. This is our home.
So many wonders.
Earth orbits the Sun in 1 year.
That's our familiar cycle.
Mars, it's all red like fire.
Mars is a planet with deserts and volcanoes. It's covered in red dust, and the temperature there can range from -125 to 20 degrees. It even has the largest volcano in the solar system.
It's so similar to Earth!
And get this,
Mars is half the size of Earth. Isn't that something?
Mars takes 2 Earth years to orbit the Sun.
That's a long time.
It's so huge.
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's 318 times heavier than Earth and has 80 moons.
Why does it have stripes?
Those are clouds made of gas, and Jupiter has the strongest storms in the solar system.
Can you believe that Jupiter is as large as 11 Earths?
That's huge.
Jupiter orbits the Sun in almost 12 Earth years.
Talk about patience.
Saturn has rings! They're so beautiful!
Yes, those rings are made of ice and rocks. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system.
It's like magic.
Did you know that Saturn is as large as 9.5 Earths?
It's incredible.
Saturn orbits the Sun in almost 30 Earth years.
That's nearly a lifetime.
Look, it's Uranus. It's so blue and strange.
Yes, Uranus is a planet with an unusual tilt. It's like it's lying on its side. Its atmosphere consists of hydrogen and helium, as well as methane, which gives it a blue color.
Why is it so tilted?
Scientists think it's because of a collision with a huge object in the past. Uranus has 27 moons and rings, like Saturn, but they are less noticeable.
Uranus is as large as 4 Earths.
That's quite impressive.
Uranus takes 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun.
That's unbelievable.
Neptune. It's so dark and cold.
Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It's very cold, with temperatures reaching 214 degrees. Its atmosphere consists of hydrogen, helium, and methane, which gives it a blue color.
Why is it so dark?
Because it's so far from the Sun, it receives very little light. Neptune has 14 moons and strong winds that blow at speeds up to 2,000 kilometers per hour.
And Neptune is almost as large as 4 Earths.
Talk about size.
And Neptune orbits the Sun in almost 165 Earth years.
That's even longer than a human lifetime.
We've learned so much about the planets.
Yes, now you're space explorers. But it's time to head home.
Hooray! We're back!
What an adventure.
Well, little bears, are you ready for the next adventure?
Amazing. See you.